Dan Bung Ropan, kita akan dengarkan statement dari pelatih Timnas Indonesia Kluivert pasca kemenangan Indonesia melawan Tiongkok tadi.
Very happy with the result, of course. In the press conference previous to the game, we discussed a few things, and I think that the training camp in Bali, you saw also that the way that we played was that also that we trained. So the things that we wanted to see came up as well in the game. Much respect for the China team. They made a very difficult match. But I'm very proud of my team. Very proud of the performance that we showed. Although we didn't really dominate the game. The result is the most important thing, and if you can play with perfect style of play, that's convenient. But most of all, the most important thing is the result, and we're happy with the result. And on this, we're going to build even more solid group. The confidence that's really important. And again, thank you for the fans for showing their love for the team. And I hope that we can build on further on this road.
Itu dia tadi saudara pernyataan dari Kluivert yang menyatakan bahwa dia bangga dan juga bahagia atas permainan Timnas pada malam hari ini. Begitu ya, karena kemenangan kita atas Tiongkok 1-0 lewat gol dari Romini tadi. Baik Bung Ropan, kita kembali lagi.